Most people see rice water, coffee leftovers, and kitchen scraps as waste. Smart gardeners see them as free fertilizer. These simple materials can help improve soil health, encourage beneficial microorganisms, and provide nutrients that support stronger plant growth. Best of all, they cost almost nothing and require very little effort to use. In this video, we will look at 2 easy gardening methods that transform everyday kitchen waste into valuable resources for a healthier and more productive garden. Method number 1, rice water and coffee liquid fertilizer. This easy homemade fertilizer uses rice water and coffee to create a nutrient-rich liquid feed that can be applied to a wide variety of garden plants. It is quick to prepare, requires very few ingredients, and helps return useful organic compounds back to the soil. To make this fertilizer, place about 1 kilogram of white rice into a large container. And add 2 liters of water. Stir the mixture thoroughly for several minutes. As the rice is mixed, the water becomes cloudy as starches, and trace nutrients move into the liquid. Once the water has turned milky in appearance, next pour the strained rice water into 10 liters of clean water to create a diluted fertilizer solution. Add about 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to the mixture. If coffee grounds are not available, expired coffee can also be used instead of being thrown away. Stir everything well, so the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the liquid. The fertilizer is now ready to use. Apply it directly around the base of vegetables, flowers, herbs, fruit trees, or potted plants. Rice water can help support beneficial soil microbes, while the coffee adds organic matter and additional nutrients. Together, they encourage healthier soil conditions and provide gentle support for plant growth. Although this mixture is not a replacement for compost or long-term soil building practices, it serves as a simple supplement that helps recycle household waste while providing extra nutrition to the garden. Method 2. Underground PVC compost feeding system. An underground PVC composting system is a simple way to recycle kitchen waste while continuously feeding nearby plants. Once installed, it acts as a small composting station that slowly releases nutrients into the surrounding soil with very little maintenance. Begin by taking an old PVC pipe and creating holes all around it, using a soldering iron or another suitable tool. The holes should be large enough for earthworms and beneficial soil organisms to move freely in and out of the pipe. These organisms help break down organic matter and improve the composting process. Next, dig a deep hole in a garden bed or large container and place the pipe vertically into the ground. Leave only a few inches of the pipe above the soil surface. Refill the surrounding soil and press it gently to keep the pipe secure. Fill the pipe with chopped kitchen scraps such as vegetable peels, fruit skins, tea leaves, and coffee grounds. Smaller pieces decompose faster and help prevent odors. After adding the waste, place a handful of compost or vermicompost on top to introduce beneficial microbes and speed up decomposition. To protect the contents, cover the top of the pipe with a lid, mulch, or an upside-down terracotta pot. The drainage hole in the pot allows rainwater and irrigation water to enter slowly. As water passes through the decomposing material, it carries nutrients into the surrounding soil, creating a natural liquid fertilizer that feeds nearby plant roots. The holes in the pipe also attract earthworms, which help convert the organic matter into nutrient-rich humus. Over time, the system improves soil structure, increases microbial activity, and provides a steady source of nutrients for surrounding plants. By regularly adding small amounts of kitchen waste, the pipe becomes a long-term composting unit that continuously enriches the garden.
Method number 3, in-bed compost bottle hack. This method turns your garden bed into a natural fertilizer system. Instead of adding compost from outside, we create compost directly inside the soil using a simple 5-liter plastic bottle. Small holes are made around the sides and bottom of the bottle. So air and moisture can move through, helping the waste decompose faster and allowing compost tea to reach plant roots. The bottle is buried near the center of the garden bed. Leaving only the top visible. Inside it, we add vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and dry leaves. Cooked or oily food is avoided. A small layer of ready compost is added on top to introduce beneficial microbes and prevent bad odors. Over time, the waste breaks down and produces nutrient-rich liquid that slowly seeps into the surrounding soil, feeding plants directly from below. To boost this system further, a natural liquid fertilizer made from compost, charcoal, molasses, and water is added. This mixture is full of beneficial microbes that multiply quickly and spread through the soil. These microbes improve nutrient availability, strengthen roots, and turn ordinary soil into living soil that supports healthier and faster plant growth.